Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're in my last video, you see that it has been a very long time since I posted, and that's basically because I've been busy, and also I don't have a laptop, so I don't really want to be documenting this stuff with my phone. And I promise I'm going to get a new laptop, and you can see this is my brand new laptop. I'll be doing a new video where I'll be talking about laptop and reviewing it and seeing if it's something I recommend for you guys. But so far it's been a great laptop. But let's quickly hop into the video. I'm going to take you into the chart and show you how I was able to generate over 5.5% my first week of trading this platform I just purchased. And yeah, I feel like as if you are going to learn something or gain something and I also want to just be documenting my progress on profit time to time on this channel. So if it's something you like, stick around, you're going to enjoy it and we're going for a ride. So let me just quickly show you something. So this is my um dashboard. This is my like close position, as you can see here. This close position, this for the week. If you look, this is for the last 7 days. This for the last 7 days. And as you can see, I just purchased this account, and this is my first trade. My first trade was on GBP JPY. Let's just quickly go to GBP JPY. Uh, let's just quickly go to GBP JPY. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the execution of the trade and the main stuff. So this was the trade on that day. Let me just quickly. uh, so guys, this was the trade. Just a very simple stuff. What I saw here was like a break of structure here. I saw a break of structure here, break of structure here around this zone. This was a break of structure. All of this. So what I saw here was a break of structure. This was a break of structure around this zone, and as price went up, all I was just waiting for was like a pullback into this zone. So as you can see, um, yeah, I pull back into the zone, like into this area, and eventually going to sweep the liquidity here. As you can see that there's liquidity here. Let me just quickly show you. Um, there is what's going on? Okay, as you can see, there's liquidity here resting around this zone. As you can see, three three lows. So all I was just waiting for was like a retest into the zone. Then I entered from this candle here, this candle, and boom, I took my profit here. That was able to get that was how I was able to get this um $400. So this was the first trade. I made 4% from this trade. Then let's quickly go to the second trade. And also let me quickly even show you on the trading view. So this is the GBP JPY trade. Yes, sir. This is the setup. I was risking 2% on it, then I reduced my risk to 1% because yeah, why not? Like I usually want to like just start in a good fashion, then I can slow down and take it the normal way. So this is the trade. Very beautiful setup. It didn't just waste my time. About 10 hours of hold time, and that is it. I entered from this zone and it came out around here. So that's 10 hours. It's a beautiful trade. And let me quickly show you the NZD JPY loss I took. This was a loss, and yeah, that's trading for you. You can't win all your setups. So let me just quickly show you NZD JPY. Yeah, So this is the NZJPY chat, and this was the loss I took. I think I'll go to like the 15 minutes so it to be clear. So guys, I decided to hop into the 15-minute time frame so that I can show you this NZJPY trade properly because I actually took it on a lower time frame. So my thought process during the time I was taking issues was that we were in a we were in a we were in a key level. So my thought process was like we took out this high here. We had like a like push down. Then we made another high which wasn't able to break this other high. Then we made something like a double top. I just call it a rejection zone, like more like a resistance. So my thought was that okay, once price takes out this high, it means that price has potentials to go up, and that's exactly what he did because after price took out this high, eventually went up. But this was what my thought process at that point. So I was just like yeah, when we take out this fair value gap around this zone, just quickly mark it out. I don't even know where my tools are. Crazy. Uh-huh. So when price took out this fair value gap here, my thought was that okay, we have potential. So I wanted to enter from this fair value gap and then price just chopped around throughout the whole day. I was on this trade for a long time. Let me quickly measure it. From this time I entered this trade around here till where I came out. It was about 6 hours. 6 hours for a day trade. It's not actually crazy, but like I was just holding this trade during drawdown and it's just crazy. Like when I saw the trade in massive drawdown consolidating up and down, I just knew that this trade I had no hope for it, and that's what made me lose $100. You can see. Let me just quickly show you. I lost $100 on this trade NZDJPY. Let me quickly go to XAUSD where I was able to make back some of my losses here. Able to make back some of my losses from XAUSD. XAUSD able to make back some of my losses. So this is the XAUSD chart. You go to like the 2 hour time frame. The trade I took on XAUSD was very fast. I'll even quickly show you on trading view. Very massive. I quickly show you on trading view. I took this sell from here and boom, close my position here. Just about 3 hours, 1, 2, 3, not even up to 3 hours. I guess 2 hours because I entered towards the end of this candle. This gold trade is one of the most beautiful trades. Let me just quickly show you on my chart. As you can see the trade here, very clean. Entered from this fair value gap zone here. This fair value gap here. Entered from this fair value gap here. What's going on? Entered from this fair value gap here. Entered from this fair value gap here, and yeah, just 2 hour quick one from here. If you measure it on the 15 minute on the 1 hour time frame, just basically 3 hours actually. So the very clean setup. I was so happy with it because like early in the morning, just catching this beautiful trade and ending trading for the day was just crazy. Like I really enjoyed it. And the last trade I took was this AUD which I took it since which day was that? Let me quickly check. I opened this trade on I opened this trade on the 6th and I closed it on the 7th. And mind you, 6th, I opened it early, very early in the morning. So like this trade is about just 2 days. Yeah, it's about 2 days, and my target was $250. It was a swing trade. If you look at it, let me quickly show you. If you look at it, you know it was a swing trade. I took it on the like 4 hour stroke daily time frame. But like AUD didn't react the way I expected. So I just had to close because it's getting towards the weekend and I don't want to be holding this trade throughout the weekend because of one thing I'm scared of is the gaps, like the gap that usually open a new week. Like, what if this thing gap towards here and just slip me out? I'm trying to avoid slippage when it comes to this profit trading and all that. Just try to manage your risk properly. That's my advice to you guys. So I took this trade from here. You just misbehave. He didn't really give me the massive drop I was expecting, especially today's NFP. Today's NFP was just trash. Like, this NFP was just very useless. It didn't do anything. It didn't move the market. It was just basically going up and down. So like, yeah, it's just another trade that doesn't work out. Even if my idea was correct, selling from this particular zone here, this area, but I was just able to close our on something that which brings out my total to, as you can see here, 479, which is over 5.5%. And I'll quickly take you to the dashboard so I can just show you everything, and I'll also show you the profit I'm trading it. So the profit I got on account with is this equity edge. I've been seeing them for a very long time, and I just decided to try them out and do everything fast. Like when you're trading just kind of profit that you don't really have like full confidence in them. You just want to do your thing fast and see if they pay. If they pay you, then you can start putting your trust in them. So if they pay me, I eventually update you guys. And yeah, but let's just first pass the challenges and see what we can do with the account. As you can see, all the equity. This is the equity and this is the balance. So it's just a smooth trading though. Like the account, the balance has been increasing steadily. That was very nice. I see profit target is $800. What's left for me to make is $221, which is beautiful after 1 week. I just hope that next week we were able to be patient and catch our good moves. And yeah, and I just want to show you that it's the same account. Look, this is the 4 trades and 3 wins and 1 loss. So that's what brought this win rate to 75% win rate. But this is not something to consider. My win rate is about 60% to 50% because of my swing trading style of this thing and incorporated with some of my 13 to 1 hour time frame style of trading. So like my rate is a bit high, around 50% to 55, 60%. But as time goes on, we'll see the correct win rate. After like 20, 30 trades, you'll see something. And these are like the profits. So like first, this is the profit I made today, last one. And I don't know why they don't show the losses. They're meant to show the losses. They're meant to show my loss from NZDJPY, but they are not showing it here. So this is just basically it. And I'll be showing you guys this account from time to time. Yeah, just decided to make this update video so that everybody can see where I'm at and what I'm up to. So I guess I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support and everything I've been doing to the channel. So guys, please like, subscribe, and yeah, let's win together. This 2025 are going to do a lot of good things. So yeah, have a nice day guys. Peace out.